Hey and welcome to Sartorial Tutorial with Eton. My name is Richard Andersson and I work as the creative lead here at Eton. In this episode we will cover one of the most important aspects of dressing up, how a dress shirt should fit. When it comes to styling, fit will always be key. And even though we're all different in size, if you just follow these simple steps, I'm sure you will find the perfect fit for you. Okay, let's start with the collar. You don't want it to look sloppy, especially not when wearing a tie, but you still want to be able to breathe. A good trick is when you can fit one finger between your neck and the collar. If you can fit more than one finger, the collar will probably end up looking too big. And when you're then wearing a tie that you need to tighten, you will end up wrinkling the collar. Moving on to the shoulder. You want the shoulder seam to be placed just before the shoulder ends. If the seam is too far down on the arm, that's just a sign that the shirt is too big. And if it's placed too high up on the shoulder, then it's too small and the sleeve will just be too short. You want the cuff to be placed just where your palm starts. When it comes to the body fit, you definitely want to be able to move around freely. And you don't want any excess fabrics on the sides. That's just a sign that the shirt is too large. A sign that the shirt is too small would be if you saw any pulling of the fabric by the buttons when it's buttoned. A simple trick you can use is to lift one arm. You're then going to be able to pinch around 6 to 8 centimeters on the sides. There you go, a few simple steps to find your perfect fit. If you still need extra help, I can highly recommend the size finder at etonshirts.com. So, thank you for today, and if you have anything you would like us to include in future episodes, comment below.